Yes, man, Sila. Blessings one more time, yeah. I was just trying to make small circles. This is about 5 centimeters, sorry. Yes, I come up with an idea to build a jig for it. It's a very simple jig that you can use to make circles. If you want, you can use a double-sided tape, and after putting this here, it's just like this. See, you just bore a small hole here and then put a pin in this guide. So this was for a sample. I use it for I built it first time for the scroll saw that I have inside. You can still use the scroll saw. That's why you have these lines here that I was using it before. But because of the scroll saw, the blade is very thin and it started to warp the cycle, make the circle like an ellipse. It was not very perfect, so I used the router, and it still can be used with that scroll saw and a jigsaw also like this. You can also use this and mount it under, like the way I mount this. It's just for a temporary use, but it's a very simple jig that anyone can build by looking at it. So I put a bearing here. It's supposed to move the bearing, but for some reason the bearing is not moving. But anyway, it's very stiff and there is no play. Yeah. So you just you just take it out like this and put it in the pin like this. Put the machine on, hit this, and start turning it like this. Yes. Then you have a perfectly round circle. Yes. See that? All this I have to do them like that, the same thing. But I have to cut them with the jigsaw first, so that it will be easier for the router to cut it very smooth. Yeah. Or else it would create some tear outs, and you wouldn't want that to happen. Yeah. Blessings, see that. Self fast all the time. Yeah. Righteousness come first. To all the youths who are trying, just don't give up. Try innovating. Try, be there. You know. Yeah, it's just a simple jig that I built just for, about 2 to 3 minutes, and mount this under here. And it can be, you can take this out, you can detach it from there, and, it's just basic innovations that you have to help yourself. Like I said, some of the tools you don't have, you have to build them and try to be creative, yeah? Yeah, man, blessings. That's why we all went to school. We all have some form of education, being in the data or at the workshop or however it is. Yeah, just try to be innovative and see that guidance, respect. Yeah, Rastafari love. See that.